Welcome to the Yorkshire Moors. Behind us is the famous Captain Cook Monument, and today want to talk about, this is where I'm from, but where my wife is from is in Peru, and especially her father and her grandfather, Carlos Moreno Simon, who had a lot of land in Peru which is no longer used. This land we're looking to replant and reforest, with the first stage being December 2019. We're aiming to plant around 5,000 trees. In future stages, in following years, we're looking to increase the amount of trees planted to around 100,000 trees. Hopefully you can follow us on our website, our Facebook and our Twitter, and get involved and provide advice and much needed support. Thank you so much. En el Parque Nacional en Inglaterra, en el distrito se llama Yorkshire. En diciembre vamos a Perú, en Puquio, por el proyecto por árboles.
Vamos a plantar árboles en un área donde vivía mi abuelito Carlos Moreno Simón y que fue pasado a mi padre Jesús Moreno, y ha donado las áreas para sembrar un bosque y crear muchos árboles.